Hi, this is Namrata and today we are going to talk about worm reduction gearboxes. A worm reduction gearboxes is a type of mechanical transmissions system which uses a worm gear and a worm wheel to reduce the speed and increase the torque and change the rotation of direction. It is commonly used in an application where wide range of ratios and compactness are important, such as conveyors and packaging machineries. So let's see the features of the gearboxes. First, high reduction ratios. Worm gearboxes provide high reduction ratios from 7 to 10,000, and second is torque. It provides from 13 Nm to 9,200 Nm. A self-locking nature of this gearbox help it from back driving, make them ideal for inclined conveyors and load-bearing systems. Quiet operations. It tend to perform quietly compared to other gear systems. Low maintenance gearbox. It is a low maintenance gearbox because it consists only of worm gear and worm shaft. So let's see the application where these gearboxes are used. Conveyor systems. To reduce the speed and increase the torque to move the heavy loads. Special purpose machineries in these scenarios where high ratios are required. For more information about gearboxes, please stay tuned.